Welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Fatma here and you are watching my YouTube channel Sunshine Stories for Kids. The topic we are discussing today is the month of Muharram. The name Muharram means forbidden and it is a time of peace and reflection. Muharram is the first month of Islamic lunar calendar and considered one of the four sacred months in Islam. First, we are going to recite a Quranic verse and a hadith. Surah Tawbah, verse 936.
إن عدة الشهور عند الله 12 شهرا في كتاب الله يوم خلق السماوات والأرض منها أربعة حرم ذلك الدين القيم فلا تظلموا فيهن أنفسكم وقاتلوا المشركين كافة كما يقاتلونكم كافة واعلموا أن الله مع المتقين.
Indeed, the number of months with Allah is 12 months in the register of Allah, the day He created the heavens and the earth. Of these, four are sacred. That is a correct religion. So do not wrong yourself and fight against the disbeliever collectively as they fight against you collectively. And know that Allah is always with righteous. And now we are going to reciting a hadith related to the importance of fasting in Muharram. Sahih Muslim 1134.
أفضل الصيام بعد رمضان شهر الله المحرم وأفضل الصلاة بعد الفريضة صلاة الليل.
Best fasting after the month of Ramadan is in the month of Allah, Muharram, and the best prayer after the obligatory prayer is the night prayer. The month of Muharram is significant in Islamic history due to several key events, especially those related to the 10th day of Muharram, known as Ashura. Here are several key events with references. The first one is the martyrdom of Imam Hussain. For Muslims, the month of Muharram, especially the day of Ashura, is significant for the tragic martyrdom of Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the Battle of Karbala in 680 AD. And the second one is the Hijrah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. While the Hijrah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from Mecca to Medina didn't occur during the month of Muharram but in Rabiul Awwal. The Islamic New Year begins with Muharram, which commemorating the starting point of Islamic calendar instituted by Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab. And the last one about the day of Ashura is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, established fasting in the commemoration of Allah saving Israelites from the Pharaoh tyranny. Friends, these are the several factors about the month of Muharram. Stay tuned and follow for more. Allah Hafiz.